From the intense heat of forging, raw metal is shaped into precision components. These parts are meticulously assembled, transforming into... Welcome to the Engine Manufacturing Company. Today, we will explain how an engine is made, from the very first stage to the final stage.
First, we design in the software.
We calculate power, fuel, and durability.
Every part is planned before production.
The second stage is raw material selection. High-quality steel, copper, aluminum, and other strong materials are selected. Each is tested before approval. Wiring harness is routed, aligning the motor now. Sensor is seated, mechanical alignment complete.
Initiating fifth stage test, monitoring speed, power, vibration. Copy. Applying heavy load profile. Vibration spike in sector 3. Correction applied.
Final inspection complete, engine approved for delivery. Securing for transport now. Delivery ready. This is how an engine is made in a company, from the first idea to the final powerful machine. Thank you for watching and listening.